Global Mother Symposium. This event aims to look at the way we are raising up our children and also give tips and advice on how you can even become better in this aspect. Because as you can see, sometimes we all worry about doing it right or not doing it right. My name is Adaobi Onyekweli, and I'll be speaking at this event. My topic is about how motherhood in Africa continent differs from European style of motherhood. As you know, in Africa, the parents are like tiger parents. They are very strict. But in Europe, they adopt a more lenient approach. We don't know which one is better, but by speaking on that day, I'll be able to show you what I think on these different types of motherhood and parenting. So if you join us on the 9th of May, 2 to 10 p.m. Singapore time, it's happening at anolbetv YouTube channel. When you join here, you'll be able to even hear more, not just from me. There are lots of speakers all over the continent. We will be sharing how motherhood differs in different places. And best part, you can even contribute your own. You can give us few tips. So it's happening on the 9th of May, 2 to 10 p.m. Singapore time, where anolbetv YouTube channel is called the Global Motherhood Symposium. Thank you. See you there.